How does tax resolution work? Can we really get you out of IRS debt? There are exactly 4 ways to legally reduce or eliminate your tax debt, and most tax pros don't even know about 2 of them. Most nights I lay awake thinking about all the truckers who are about to lose everything to the IRS simply because they don't know their options. Last week I had a client come to my office who had spent 6 hours on hold with the IRS only to get advice that could have cost him his business. Here's what most people don't realize. Ever since COVID, the IRS has hired thousands of new agents who often know less about tax law than you do. Today I'm going to show you how tax resolution really works and why trying to handle the IRS yourself could be the most expensive mistake you make in your life. The investigation phase. Let me pull back the curtain on how we actually get people out of IRS debt. It starts with something called the tax investigation. Think of it like a reconnaissance mission. We go in, pull all your transcripts, and create a complete blueprint of your case. We find out exactly what's owed, what's been filed, what hasn't been filed, and most importantly, what the IRS is planning to do next. This is crucial because it tells us which of the 4 resolution strategies will work best for your situation. The 4 resolution strategies. Here's where it gets interesting. There are 4 main ways to resolve IRS debt, but most people, and even some tax pros, only know about 2. First, there's the offer and compromise. That's where you settle for pennies on the dollar. Then there's the currently not collectible status, where you can legally pay nothing if you can prove hardship. Third is the partial pay installment agreement, where you pay a fraction until the debt expires. And finally, the collection statute expiration strategy, where we use the 10-year rule to your advantage. Why experience matters? Here's the truth nobody talks about. Your success with any of these strategies depends entirely on how they're presented to the IRS. I've seen identical cases get completely different outcomes based solely on how they were presented. The IRS has a specific criteria for each program, and if you don't know exactly what they're looking for, you'll get denied. It's like trying to win a game when you don't even know the rules. Look, I get it. Hiring a tax resolution expert isn't cheap, but trying to handle the IRS yourself is like performing surgery on yourself to save money. It might seem cheaper at first, but it actually ends up in disaster. If you owe more than $10,000 to the IRS, click the link below to schedule your free tax investigation. We'll pull all your transcripts, analyze your situation, and show you exactly what resolution strategy will work best for you in your specific situation. And make sure to subscribe because next week I'm revealing the exact script we use to get the IRS to prove offer and compromise.